guys, I'm back with Animal Crossing New Horizons. Welcome to Honeyville. Here I'm sitting on my lawn, just chilling. In this video, I'm taking you to have a house tour with me. I've just finished furnishing every single room in my house today, like for the first time. My living room was actually the last to get done. So yeah, let's go in and take a look. I decided to go with antique brown theme for this room. I used some white furniture to soften the tone a little bit. I'm so obsessed with this fireplace here, so glad I get to showcase it. I also use some gold items to give illuminating and glamorous effect. That's the sound from the TV. I have my DIY workbench over there in that corner and a dining table with gold plate sets over here. The painting on the wall gives that luxury feel to the room. The next room is my studies. I still use the same antique brown theme. More antique furniture and zodiac items in this room. I also like how the plants move whenever the fan blows their ways. The little detail like this, very impressive, right? The antique font on the wall looks really gorgeous too. And I think with this pirate wall from Gulliver, the whole thing turns out quite well. Okay, now we're in my kitchen. Nothing much going on here. Okay, mixer bowl is on. Let's turn on the gas here as well. The soup, the spaghetti. Okay, get some light in. And let's do some exercise here at the counter because, on TV, aerobic program is on. Okay, here comes my most favorite room. I really like this cloud floor. It gives such a fluffy, dreamy feel. The highlight item is this golden toilet. You just have to find a way to work around such a bold item. Love it, love it. I use many of the rattan furniture. Sadly, I don't have all the colors, so this is the best I could do for now. And let's change. Time to go to bed. My bedroom has this pinky girly thing going on, as you can see. One of the very first items I got from shooting down balloons back then was this pink cute bed. And that's why this theme came up, and it has never changed since. I also have Nintendo Switch and futons ready for friends to come over. How thoughtful, right? My East Asian theme basement is the last room now. I don't have all the colors for all the pieces from Imperial set furniture, but somehow things just blend so smoothly. Let's end this with some nice food photos. That's pretty much it for our tour today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.